What's going on here? A van not in a mall parking lot? I got the tracker out to where it belongs, on the dirt. One of my favorite spots, right here. Big vehicle. Okay, let's go around the rocks here. The tricky part's gonna be getting out later. Hopefully I'm running low enough of a tire pressure. Yeah, I could definitely feel myself sinking in the sand. So I used to take my last van build out here. It was a 150. This is a 350. This has a good 1,000 pounds over my last van. So the key is when I leave this area later, yeah, keep the momentum going. No rear locker yet, that's the goal. Get a rear locker for this thing. But yeah, so cool spot. Yeah, if you want to overland, it's a pretty cool spot. So there's gonna be a few clearance obstacles. That's what you guys want to see, right? There you go, clearance obstacle right there. Here's where the lift comes into play. And then keep moving right here. It's pretty deep. And it's going to be pretty hard packed later. Here's a nice clearance obstacle. Piece of cake. And go down slowly. So my philosophy with off-roading is not to beat the vehicle up, but to explore like I'm doing right now. Slow motion. I'm going 10 miles per hour. This is what I enjoy about off-roading. Because at the end of the day, this van spends most of its time on pavement. So, you know, it's mostly a freeway cruiser versus an off-road machine. But when there's an opportunity to off-road, you take it. And it's capable. And then the key with two-wheel drive, especially if you don't have a rear locker, is you got to watch where you stop. I should be okay right now. I'm pretty sure I would be better off airing down to like 30 psi. I'm at 50. I was going to try this without an air down, but I wanted to test out my tire deflators. They work really well. Yeah, I find this really enjoyable. Just being out in the middle of nowhere, it's fun for me. Okay, this is deep. All right, so there you go. You gotta, let's go. Let's go up here. Okay, so keep alert. So to the, I took the left because, yeah, I could feel the sand getting deep. So that's why I took the left. Let's go first. Someone taking pictures. I could take this. Let's go for this. Oh, it's a Jeep crew. I wish I had friends. One more look where I took the van. One of my favorite spots. Perfect challenge for a lifted two-wheel drive van. It's time to bring back the Geo Tracker. Perfect brochure picture right here. A beast, even among other overlanding vehicles.